Our planet is an ocean world. Yet we know more about the surface of Mars than the depths of our own oceans. Hidden beneath the waves lies a mysterious realm, the ocean Twilight Zone. This vast expanse stretches from 200 to 1,000 meters below the surface. Here, sunlight fades into perpetual darkness. The Twilight Zone marks a transition. Above, the sunlit waters teem with life. Below, the deep sea remains shrouded in darkness. The Twilight Zone bridges these two worlds. It is a place of wonder, teeming with life that is only beginning to be understood. The Twilight Zone is a world of extremes. Pressure is immense, hundreds of times greater than at the surface. Temperatures are frigid, hovering just above freezing. Yet life persists, adapting to these challenging conditions in remarkable ways. This is a testament to the power of evolution and the resilience of life itself. The Twilight Zone is not just a fascinating curiosity. It plays a crucial role in the ocean's delicate balance. This hidden realm is teeming with life, much of it still unknown to science. These creatures, from tiny zooplankton to larger fish and squid, are essential links in the marine food web. The Twilight Zone is a vital feeding ground for many marine animals. Large predators like tuna and sharks rely on the abundant prey found in these depths. These animals, in turn, support populations of even larger creatures at the top of the food chain. But the importance of the Twilight Zone extends far beyond the ocean. It plays a critical role in regulating Earth's climate. Every night, billions of fish and other organisms migrate vertically. They rise from the depths to feed in the surface waters under the cover of darkness. This massive movement of biomass, known as the diurnal vertical migration, is the largest migration on Earth. It is a vital part of the carbon cycle, transporting carbon from the surface to the deep ocean. This process helps regulate Earth's climate, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The creatures of the Twilight Zone are masters of survival. They have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in this extreme environment. One of the most striking features is bioluminescence, the ability to produce light. In the darkness of the Twilight Zone, bioluminescence serves many purposes. Some animals, like the anglerfish, use bioluminescent lures to attract prey. Others, like the hatchetfish, use it for camouflage, masking their silhouettes against the faint light filtering down from above. Still others use flashes of light for communication or to startle predators. Another crucial adaptation is the ability to withstand crushing pressure. Many Twilight Zone creatures have soft, gelatinous bodies that can withstand the immense weight of the water column. They also lack swim bladders, the gas-filled organs that help many fish control their buoyancy. This makes them less vulnerable to pressure changes. Life in the Twilight Zone has honed these creatures into marvels of adaptation. They are a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the power of natural selection to shape life in the most extreme environments. Every day, as the sun sets, a remarkable transformation occurs in the ocean. Billions of creatures begin their ascent from the depths. This is the diurnal vertical migration, a daily commute unlike any other. Driven by the need to feed and avoid predators, these animals embark on a perilous journey. Under the cover of darkness, they rise to the surface waters, where food is more abundant. This massive movement of biomass is a sight to behold. It is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystems. Section 5. Unlocking Secrets, Exploring the Twilight Zone. Despite its importance, the Twilight Zone remains one of the least explored regions on Earth. The challenges of reaching and studying this deep, dark world are immense. But scientists are developing new technologies and approaches to unlock its secrets. Submersibles, both manned and remotely operated, allow researchers to venture into the depths and observe these elusive creatures in their natural habitat. Advanced sonar systems provide a glimpse into the hidden world of the Twilight Zone, mapping its structure and revealing the movements of its inhabitants. Scientists are also using environmental DNA, or eDNA, analysis to study the biodiversity of the Twilight Zone. By collecting and analyzing genetic material present in the water, researchers can identify the species present even without directly observing them. These techniques are providing valuable insights into the hidden life of the Twilight Zone. The exploration of the Twilight Zone is a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity about the natural world. As we continue to develop new technologies and approaches, we are gaining a deeper understanding of this mysterious and vital part of our planet. Section 6, the technological challenge, plumbing the depths. Exploring the Twilight Zone is not for the faint of heart. It presents significant technological hurdles. The intense pressure, frigid temperatures, and lack of light create a hostile environment. Researchers are rising to the challenge. Traditional submersibles are ill-suited for the Twilight Zone. New materials and designs are being developed to withstand extreme conditions. ROVs offer a safer alternative to manned submersibles. These robots can be controlled from the surface, allowing safe exploration. Advances in underwater acoustics and communication are enabling greater autonomy. New sensors and imaging systems are crucial for studying the Twilight Zone. Low-light cameras, sonar systems, and eDNA samplers provide unprecedented views. The data collected helps us understand Twilight Zone creatures. Section 7. The human impact, a shadow over the Twilight Zone. For millennia, the Twilight Zone remained largely untouched by human activities. But the growing demand for resources is casting a shadow over this once pristine realm. The consequences of our actions are still unfolding, but there is growing concern. Deep-sea fishing target species like orange ruffy and Patagonian toothfish. These slow-growing fish are particularly vulnerable to overfishing. The collapse of these fisheries could have cascading effects. Pollution, particularly plastic waste and chemicals, is also reaching the Twilight Zone. These pollutants can accumulate in the food chain, posing risks to marine life. Climate change is perhaps the most significant threat facing the Twilight Zone. As the ocean absorbs excess carbon dioxide, it becomes more acidic. This can harm marine organisms, particularly those with calcium carbonate shells. Section 8, Climate Change and the Twilight Zone, a murky future. The Twilight Zone is intricately connected to the global climate system. It plays a vital role in regulating Earth's temperature by absorbing and storing carbon dioxide. But this function is threatened by our activities. Warming surface waters make the Twilight Zone more stratified, reducing mixing. This disrupts nutrient and oxygen flow, harming ecosystems. Ocean acidification also poses a significant threat. Increasing acidity dissolves shells of marine organisms. This disruption impacts the entire ocean ecosystem. The Twilight Zone is critical but vulnerable to climate change. Section 9, Protecting the Unknown, a call for conservation. The Twilight Zone is a vast and mysterious realm, home to countless species, many still unknown to science. It is a vital part of our planet's life support system, playing a crucial role in regulating climate and supporting marine food webs. Yet this hidden world is facing increasing threats from human activities. Protecting the Twilight Zone requires a global effort, one that recognizes the interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystems and the importance of sustainable practices. International cooperation is essential to establish marine protected areas, regulate deep-sea fishing, and reduce pollution. Investing in scientific research is also crucial. We need to better understand the Twilight Zone, its inhabitants, and how it is being impacted by human activities and climate change. This knowledge will be essential for developing effective conservation strategies. The fate of the Twilight Zone is intertwined with our own. By protecting this hidden world, we are not just safeguarding biodiversity. We are ensuring the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Section 10, Our Ocean, Our Future, Preserving the Twilight Zone. The ocean Twilight Zone is a reminder that there is still so much we don't know about our own planet. It is a realm of mystery and wonder, a place where life has found a way to thrive in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. But it is also a realm under threat, facing growing pressures from human activities and climate change. We have a responsibility to protect this hidden world, not just for the sake of the creatures that inhabit it, but for ourselves and for future generations. The Twilight Zone plays a vital role in regulating our planet's climate and supporting marine food webs. Its health is intricately linked to our own. The choices we make today will determine the fate of the Twilight Zone. By embracing sustainable practices, investing in scientific research, and working together to address climate change, we can ensure that this mysterious and vital part of our planet continues to thrive for generations to come. The ocean is our lifeblood. Let us protect it as if our lives depend on it, because they do.